We want to turn now to the very latest on the coronavirus emergency. In the past 24 hours, the United States is reporting the nation's highest number of deaths in a single day. CDC Director Robert Redfield also issuing that stark new warning, saying everyone in America needs to wear a mask, or this coming fall could be the worst we've ever had. This is new research highlights the emerging hotspots from restaurants to major cities like Chicago. Alex Perez has the latest.
This morning, researchers used by the COVID task force predicting 3 of the next likely hotspots for the virus to hit Chicago, Boston, and Baltimore.
We're just seeing significant transmission in all 3 of those cities. That's happening late in the summer, acknowledging that they only have weeks left before the nights get colder and the transmission dynamics may actually worsen.
Researchers from Policy Lab at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia say Chicago has a high transmission rate and inadequate social distancing measures. Boston's transmission rate is growing and many are traveling for leisure, according to cell phone data. Baltimore at risk because of its high density and poverty rate and large number of multi-generational households.
I worry about a perfect storm.
Traveling ICU nurse TRINITY Goodman knows the challenges of hotspots all too well, working in New York when the pandemic first hit.
I felt this almost like a deeper calling to go.
And more recently, the Texas border, where she says all her patients were under 40 and not one of them lived.
We had literally had no resources.
And new data shows that many of the outbreaks that we have seen this summer are linked to bars and restaurants, as many as 12% of cases in Maryland and 9% of cases in Colorado. So that's another area that experts say is of big concern, Amy.
And Alex, we're hearing President Trump continuing his call for students to return to school, arguing online and remote learning isn't good for their development. And this all comes despite growing opposition to in-person learning.
Yeah, Amy, the opposition is growing in New Jersey. Hundreds of teachers say they will not return to work. In New York City, teachers are pushing for a remote start. And remember in Georgia, the first day of classes where we saw that hallway packed with students? Well, that school now dealing with at least 35 cases of coronavirus. Amy?
All right, Alex Perez in Chicago for us. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.